14 dead, 44 injured and 31 have been discharged from separate hospitals after being treated. This is the final count that has been shared by the NDRF and by the BMC as of now, even as operations continue at Ghatkopar, where a hoarding came down crashing yesterday due to a dust storm and rain, killing over 14 people in the financial capital. The rescue operations go on. The search operations are almost over is what NDRF officials has said, even though operations with respect to clearing of debris do continue. Now remember, for the search operations, the NDRF went from one end of the petrol pump to another end. Till now, 14 persons have been found to be dead. As of now, in the search operations, no fresh count was found by the NDRF team. So operations continue even as an audit has been ordered by the Maharashtra government for hoardings across the island city. There are orders to pull down illegal and dangerous hoardings across the city as well. Right here, where this massive 120 by 120 square feet hoarding was present, next to it there are several big hoardings that are present, which are again not adhering to the norms of the BMC, that says only a 40 by 40 square feet hoarding should be there. So all those large hoardings are what the BMC plans to pull down now. So 14 lives lost, 44 still being treated in different hospitals, and 31 persons have been discharged. This is the situation on ground zero at Ghatkopar.
Make informed decisions with comprehensive analysis on the go.
Strengthen your portfolio with real-time market updates on the go. Create effective strategies with insightful expert opinions on the go.
Grow on the go with CNBC TV18. Now streaming live 24/7 on YouTube.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV18 on all of our digital platforms.